One of the jobs that I worked was working in the emergency room, and I got to see just how hard nurses worked. So today, I want to share 16 side jobs for nurses. Also, I know you're super busy and I don't want to tie you up anymore, so I'm going to jump straight to the list. Number 1, BLS instructor. You know how to save lives, now you can teach other people how to save lives too. You can buy all the equipment you need at a discount on Amazon or leftover from other programs, and you can teach online, in person, BLS instruction. Number 2 is babysit differently abled children. Number 3, malpractice law firms. Malpractice law firms always need medical experts to review charts and documentation, and nurses are well equipped to handle that task. Number 4 is to work for an IV infusion startup. I've seen them all over social media where models or celebrities have had a late night or they've come down with an illness and they need some IV fluids. Nurses are perfectly capable of handling this task and they can do it on their days off. Number 5 is to train or teach pharmacy technicians. You can teach how to store, how to prepare, and how to administer certain drugs and vaccines. Number 6 is working at a pharmacy to administer vaccines, and this has become really popular and in demand lately. Number 7 is a nurse taxi. You become a taxi for people that are in need of traveling with a nurse. Number 8 is work for local school districts as their per diem nurse. This would be if their regular school nurse called in sick. Number 9 is per diem for hospice. Number 10 is baby sleep consultant. I've actually used a baby sleep consultant before for my kids, so I know how beneficial it would be to have a nurse who could also answer other questions late at night. Number 11 is medical surveys. Use all of that medical knowledge to answer some surveys, and one website I use is Sermo. Number 12 is to teach online nursing classes. Number 13 is patient education. You can teach patients how to self-administer various meds, and you can do this in person or you can do it with online tutorials. Number 14 is training infusion nurses. Number 15 is you can teach pathology for local massage schools. And number 16 is my favorite because if you put a little work into it up front, it has the potential of becoming passive income. And number 16 is create a digital how-to. And this could be anything from how to survive nursing, how to survive working nights as a nurse, how to handle irate patients, or how to handle adolescents or infants. If you want other digital product ideas, check out my video, 14 Best Digital Products in 2024. There's so many opportunities out there for side jobs for nurses. So if you discover a side job that you think could be useful, put it in the comments down below. We all learn from each other. If you decide to do something completely unrelated to nursing, I get it. So check out my YouTube. I have a ton of other side hustles and side jobs that you can do unrelated to nursing.